There's the queen right there, if you see her walking through. A little bit of rain last night, so I'm gonna do an inspection, put some beetle blasters in, and then I move that swarm colony and a nuke onto the apiary bin. Definitely some capped honey in the green hive and nectar coming in. A lot of bees here. Not a ton of brood on this green hive. Here's some fresh brood and larvae. They seem pretty excited. A lot of bees. Not a lot of nectar coming in. I think they're just cleaning up the comb. White hive, tons of fresh brood out here. Yeah, looking good. This is the swarm that I put into a nuke. There you go, a good amount of brood there. Some fresh larvae. There's the queen right there, if you see her walking through. I'll put her back. Overall, things are good. They just need a little more sunshine to get foraging in.